how to put together a tree watering kit from Highland Hill Farm. This is how the hose adapter, and this is a hose adapter, a regular garden hose will feed into this line here, is attached to our Blue Stripe pipe. This is a push-on fitting right here, and then after it's pushed on, it's screwed in and it screws tight. Now you have a very tight fitting there, and the water goes in here through a garden hose into our water system. You control the amount of water that's fed into the Blue Stripe pipe by the valve on your garden hose. This is a nipple, a spaghetti line, and an emitter. And now we have to connect this emitter into that pipe. So we have to make a hole. We're going to use this part here to punch a hole into the pipe. Now you can hear it went in. That was a nice clean hook. Now this nipple now has to be pushed into that hole. Okay, now this is in there. Now this pulls off, and it's hard to see, but this has a slight crease in it, and that's where the water from here, from inside this tube, comes through here, around through here, up into here. Now it's going to come out. This is the off position, and this is the on position. Now when water comes through here, through the tube, it'll come out this tube here, follow around, come through here, and be emitted right through there. Now when the garden hose is feeding through the pipe, through here, we need to be able to close it off. And we do that with this figure 8. And now we're going to show you how to close off this end of the line. We put the figure 8 on here, bend the tube over, and bend it back into itself like that. Now that actually closes the water off, and no water can go past this point. So now only way the water can get out is it goes in here and comes out the spaghetti line to your tree. And you can probably have over 100 lines off this main hose when you're feeding trees at one time. So you can do a lot of trees with one garden hose. Our Blue Stripe pipe comes in 100, 500, and 1,000 foot lengths. Okay, sometimes your hose gets a hole in it, so you want to know that the hose cuts easily with a snipper. See, it can cut very well, cuts easily. And what you're going to want to do sometimes is connect a hose to itself. And this is how the hose connects to itself. And you push this on real hard. Now sometimes, and it can pull off as well. Now sometimes you'll want a T. And in that case, you're going to put 3 of these together. That's a T. And there's also a Y. So if you want to just put in a Y, you can do that. So it's very adaptable for different applications and to take water to different areas of your landscape. To winterize your system, just disconnect your garden hose from the Blue Stripe pipe and also open up the figure 8 to relieve water out of the back end of the hose, and you'll be set for winter. The spaghetti tubing that goes from the Blue Stripe pipe to the plant, we supply it in many different sizes. We have them 18 inch, 24 inches in length, 3 foot, 4 foot, 5 foot, 6 foot. And we have many different applications for it. Some are large trees, small trees. Some trees will be further away, or some trees will be closer to the Blue Stripe pipe. So when you order your kit or you need drip lines, tell us how many and how long they have to be. And if we have to make them custom, we can make them custom for you. You can just give us a call at 215-651-8329. We can sell you the parts. We have bags of emitters and bags of nipples and lots of spaghetti tubing, and we do ship them out UPS and on our trucks when we make deliveries. Again, call us at 215-651-8329 for your drip irrigation parts at Highland Hill Farm.
This is Mr. Instant Privacy. Yes, you can have instant privacy when you plant the Emerald Arborvitae. It's a narrow pyramidal evergreen displaying dense emerald foliage. It holds its color well throughout the winter. It's an excellent medium to large screening hedge or privacy shrub. It usually grows to about 12 to 15 feet tall, but can be kept and maintained from 6 to 12 foot as you so desire. Its only major drawback is that it is deer eaten. If you have a lot of deer, it's not the plant for you. Also, it needs full sun and does not like wet soils. If you need some, call us at Highland Hill Farm.
These are 2-foot emerald greens at Highland Hill Farm. They're in number 3 pots and they're ready for pickup. Give us a call if you need any, 215-651-8329. Thank you.
This is one of my favorite new arborvitaes that's just come out on the market. It's a plant patent number 19267 from Ball Ornamentals. It's called Forever Goldie, and it is a western red cedar type of arborvitae. We grow these from small liners that we buy. We have to buy these because it's plant patented, and we pay a plant patent fee for each arborvitae that we grow and raise and sell. We put these in small pots and pot them up, and then we will pot them out in the field, and we will also have them in larger 3-gallon pots for sale. This plant is an excellent plant for your patio or the back of a border. It has great orange color in the fall. It's upright, drought tolerant. It's an evergreen featuring scented foliage, and it has heat resistance. Oh, what more could you ask for? Yes, it is good for borders, screens, garden beds, landscapes, and large mixed containers. It grows to 15 to 20 feet with a spread of 3 to 4 foot, and incidentally, unlike the green giant, which is zone hardy to zone 5, this is zone hardy to zone 4, so it has even better cold hardiness than the green giant. So give us a call if you want some at Highland Hill Farm. We're on Route 313 in Fountainville, PA, and we do deliver and plant the Forever Goldie Arborvitae. This is our Shamrock Inkberry Holly. It's about 4 foot high and 4 foot wide and at its mature height. It likes sun. It can grow in partial shade. Its USDA zone is 5 or higher. It's a desirable, versatile plant for your landscape. It can be used in gardens for mass plantings, topiaries, or hedges. It takes pruning well. It has small, glossy leaves and a naturally dense, compact oval form. This holly is very easy to raise and presents few problems in the landscape. This is a native plant, but it is not reliably hardy in colder zones than zone 5. At Highland Hill Farm, we grow many kinds of shrubs and trees. We have both evergreens and deciduous plants for sale. We can deliver and plant for you. We also have a number of seedlings and young transplants which we sell mail order. You can call us at 215-651-8329 for trees and shrubs. Thank you.